I'll show you how to make a tassel for earrings, bookmarks, or any kind of projects. I'll use these 4 fingers of my left hand. If you want your tassel to be bigger length, you have to use a cardboard piece. So what I'm gonna do is hold this tail with my pinky and thumb and then roll out the yarn to my desired length and desired thickness. I don't want my tassel to be too thick. I just want this much. And what you have to do is you need a needle and thread and tie the end together, and you need the same colored yarn. What I'm gonna do now is this tied up this knot. I'll pull this knot here, up here, like so. Okay, now I'll put this yarn through here, and this will be the hanging hook. Okay, now I'll just make a knot. If you want, you can pull out your fingers and make the knot. And I'll put my needle through the middle. I think I put my needle through some yarn. So what I'm gonna do is cut my thread here and pull this needle out. And now what I'm gonna do is cut these threads here. And shake it so that the yarns are all untangled and straight. And I'll again take some length of same colored yarn to tie the upper part, holding like this, and I'm gonna roll the yarn tightly to make a ball here. Making sure that the yarns are straight and looking good and not all tangled up. And I'm gonna roll it. And again roll another tail, and after that I'll tie a knot. And I'll do some haircut. And there you go. The tassel is ready to use in your project.